Hello students, I hope that you are doing great. In this lesson, we will look at thousandths. Thousandths. Okay, now divide each hundredth into 10 equal parts. Now you can see this shows hundredths and one part has been colored. So this actually means 1 out of 100, which is the same as 0.01. Now, these 100 equal parts, we can divide them again, so that each part is divided into 10 equal parts to come up with 1000 equal parts. So in this, the colored part, this colored part, this, okay, it is 1,000th, and 1,000th actually means 1 out of 1,000, and this is the same as 0.001. Okay, now we can read this as 1,000th, 1,000th, or 0.01. Okay, 0.001. Okay, now 0.001 has 3 decimal places: 1, 2, and 3. We have 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal places. Now, student, I want you to think. Remember, 1 out of 10 is 0.1. Also, 10 out of 100 is 0.1. What about 100 out of 1,000? Think. What decimal is that? Okay. Now, number 2. What is the decimal represented by the number discs? You can see that we have got 4 thousandths. 4 thousandths. Okay? So 4 thousandths means 4 out of 1,000. So the decimal is 0.004. 0.004. Okay? Now we can show this in the place value chart. So we can place 0 in ones place, then 0, 0, 4. Okay? Say that we have 0.004. This means that the place value of this 4 is thousandths. The place value of this 0 is hundredths. The place value of this 0 is tenths. And the place value of this 0 is ones. Okay? We can read this as 4 thousandths, or 0.004. So now for this part, we have got 10 thousandth. 10 thousandth. But 10 thousandths altogether will give us 0.01, or it's like it will give us 1/100th. Okay, now 10 thousandths actually means 10 out of 1,000, and 10 out of 1,000 is the same as 0.01, or it is the same as 1/100th. Okay, so in the place value chart we can write 0.01. This will be 1/100th, but we can also write a 0 in thousandths place value, but then it doesn't change the meaning. Note that 0.01 is the same as 0.010. Okay, this 0, it is just a place value holder. We just write it there to fill the place value. Okay, so 10 thousandths is the same as 1/100th. I hope that this is clearly understood. Now, for this part, we have got 3 ones and 2 thousandths. So, if we get 3 ones plus 2 thousandths, which is the same as 0.002, we will get 3.002, or it's the same as 3 and 2 thousandths. Okay, now in the place value chart we can write 3, then we write 0, 0, 2. Okay, so this means that the place value of 2 is thousandths, the place value of this 0 is hundredths, this one is tenths, and this one is ones. And it actually means that the value of 3 ones is 3, and the value of 2 thousandths is 0.02. Okay, now in part 3, what is the decimal represented by the number discs? Okay, you can say that we have got 12 thousandths. We have 12 thousandths, or this is the same as 0.012. But now I want you to note that this is the same as 0.01, which is the same as 1/100th, and 2 thousandths. So we have 1/100th and 2 thousandths. Okay, so 12 thousandths is the same as 1/100th and 2 thousandths. Okay, part 4. What is the value represented by each digit? Okay, now note that we have got tens up to thousandths, tens, ones, tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. We have 110, we have 6 ones, we have 5 tenths, we have 4 hundredths, and 2 thousandths. Okay, now when we talk about the value of each digit that we can see here, we actually look at expanded form, whereby we have got 16 0.542, and in that 10 is the value of 1. This is 1/10, and it is the same as 10. This is 6. So the value of 6 ones is 6. Okay? So the place value of 6 is 1s, but the value is 6. Okay? The place value of this 5 is 10ths, but the value is 0.5. The place value of this 4 is hundredths. Okay? But the value is 0.04, the same as 4 hundredths. Finally, the place value of 2 is thousandths. Okay? And the value is 0.002, the same as 2 thousandths. Okay? Now, let us see how we can show decimals on the number line. Now we have got this number line. If this is 0 and this is 1, what happens? Then this will be 0.1. This will be 0, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. Okay? This one will be 0.9, like that. Okay? But if then we have got 0, and this is 0.1. Okay, what happens then? So it actually means that this will be 0.01. Then this will be 0.02. This will be 0.05. This gonna be 0.09. Okay? Now, what happens if this is 0 and this is 0.01? For this case, what is A and what is B? Student, think. What will be A and what will be B? This actually means that this will be 0.001, okay? And this will be 0.002, okay? Then A will be 0.004, okay? And then as a fraction it will be 4 out of 1000. Then B will be 0.007. Okay, And then as a fraction, it will be 7 out of 1,000. I hope that you have really understood this lesson about thousandths. Okay? Now, I want you to go to page